let us start with the third chapter. What is the name? See, look at the name. The name says use of letters in place of numbers. Now tell me, what is the meaning of letters? They are telling, from the name of the chapter we came to know that they are telling us to use letters in place of numbers. So first we have to understand what are letters. Letters are any alphabets between A to Z. Look over here. It is between what? A to Z. It is any alphabet from A to Z. In place means what? Uski jagah par. Instead of something, you have to use what? This A to Z alphabets. But instead of what? See, they are telling it in the further sentence that instead of numbers. Numbers means what? 1 to 100 or further means 1 to 0. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 0. In this format, any number na, you are using letters, that is A to Z instead of that numbers. But why? Why do we use this letters in place of numbers? Now let me give you a simple example. My mom tells me to go and buy a box of pencils. Okay? So I go to the shop. I ask him what is the price of one pencil. He says me that price of one pencil is 3 rupees. Now I tell him that okay, give me a box of pencil. And he tells me okay, the price of the box is rupees 90. So I pay him 90 and I come back home. When I come back home, my mom asks, how many pencils did you bring? Means there are how many pencils in the box. But I don't know that, because what I asked him was price of one pencil and I took the whole box and I paid him 90 rupees. But I don't know how many pencils did I get. So how to find that? So let us see. Now see, to find the amount, that is, see, if I tell you that price of one pencil is 3 rupees and bring me three pencils. So how will I calculate the amount I should pay to the shopkeeper? Simply, you may all go for the shopping, right? So how you pay him? Like see, 3, because cost of one pencil is what? 3, and you are bringing how many pencils? 3. So 3 plus 3, 6, plus 3, 9. Means what? You are giving the shopkeeper rupees 9 and you are bringing 3 pencils home. So now I know that the price of one pencil is 3. Okay? And how did you get 9? It is 3 into 3. Price multiplied by quantity. Quantity means what? The number of pencils that you get. Now see, the price of one pencil was 3. And how many pencils did I get? I get 3 pencils. So what I did, I multiplied the price 3 rupees with 3 pencils. So I got the amount as rupees 9. Over here, I know that the price of one pencil is 3. But I don't know the quantity. In the previous example, I knew the quantity, that I brought 3 pencils. But over here, I brought a box. But I don't know how much pencils are there in that box. So let us assume there are A number of pencils. A, okay, it's not 8, I am saying it is A. A number of pencils means what? 3 into number of pencils. Instead of number of pencils, I am writing A because I don't know how many pencils I got. But I know this multiplied by this is equal to 90. Why 90? Because I paid the shopkeeper how much? Rupees 90. Means what? 3 रुपए की अगर एक पेंसिल है तो मैंने कुछ तो नंबर के पेंसिल, कितने तो पेंसिल लिए, वो नहीं पता कितने पेंसिल लिए, बट कितने तो पेंसिल लिए और उसका टोटल पैसे मैंने कितने दिए? 90 रुपीज. अब let us see how to calculate how many pencils did I get. अभी 3 into A कितना हो गया? 90. Means what? 3 into A is equal to what? 3A. 3A is equal to how much? 90. Now tell me what is A. Simple calculation, isn't it? A is equal to 90 divided by 3, which comes to what? 330. Means what? In the box of pencils, I got 30 pencils. Why is this possible? How can I calculate this? I can calculate this by replacing the number I don't know. I didn't know how much pencils did I get. So what I did, I replaced that number with the alphabet or a letter. So this type is used when you don't know some number, but you know both the numbers कि कितने एक पेंसिल कितने का है and कितना पे किया. So using this formula or this type of thing, this type of letter in place of numbers, you can find how many pencils did I get. Similarly, this is useful in many ways. We will understand in detail in this chapter. Now let us go about with the first. The first example says us sum of 10 and another number. And another number means what? पता नहीं है कौन सा नंबर है, बट इतना पता है कि 10 है और sum means what? Look at the first word which says sum. Sum means addition. So addition, and I don't know the another number. So what I will do? I'll replace it with a letter. Suppose let us take A in all the examples. So I say A. You can take B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I till J, till Z, whichever you like. But I am taking over here A. Okay. So that is what the question first sum is saying. That sum means what? Sum means addition. Addition of 10. 10 is a number. So addition of 10 with any another number. Okay. So that another number is not given to us. If it was given that sum of 10 and 6, then what I would have written? I would have written 10 plus 6. But over here they are saying another number. We don't know the number. So what we will do? We will replace it by A. Now let us solve the another question, which is product of. What is the meaning of product? I told you. Product form means what? Multiplication form. You know now, we have solved in indices. Product form means multiplication sign is given in between them. Multiplication form. Product means multiplication. So they are telling you product. Now we got what we have to do. We have to multiply something by something. Now let us read the question further to let to know which numbers are to be multiplied. The first number over here they say is 23. Product of 23. So what I will write? 23. Product means what? Multiplication. And another number. Again another number. But what number? Do you know what number we have to multiply? No. So what we will assume is the another number is suppose B. Over here I am writing B. You can write A to Z, any alphabet, any letter. So over here I have replaced the another number. I cannot write another number. 23 multiplied by another number. It sounds a bit odd. So instead of that number we have replaced it by a letter. That is what we are going to do in this chapter. Now let us move on to the third. The quotient means what? In short, quotient is answer, the answer of division. When you divide whatever you get over here now, it is the quotient. So they are asking you the quotient means the answer of 18 divided by a number. Means what? They are telling you to find the answer if 18 is divided by a number. Now a number I don't know. So what I will do? I will replace with a letter. Suppose C. So what is the answer? Answer is 18 by C. Because one number I know. They are telling that 18 is one number. But the another number I don't know. So what I am doing? Replacing that another number with a letter which is C. Now the next question, which is the fourth. The quotient of a number divided by 18 means what? 18 is in denominator, but there is one number in the numerator. See, read it again. Quotient of a number divided by 18 means quotient of a number when it is divided by 18. By 18 means what? 18 is in the denominator, and this we don't know. The number in the numerator we don't know. So now what we will do is we will write 18 in the denominator, and in the numerator what we will write? Any alphabet from A to Z. Suppose Z. Why to use A, B, C and leave the Z at the end? So we will use Z. So what it is? Z by 18. It does not make any difference which letter you use. It is your wish. Now in the next question. A number obtained by subtracting. What we have to do now over here? We have to subtract something from something. So let us write the sign first. That is minus sign. A number from 50. मतलब एक नंबर को 15 से माइनस करना है. 15 से माइनस करना means what? Towards my left there will be a 15 and a number. A number is replaced by again a letter which is suppose आप क्या ले D. So 15 minus D. Okay. So क्या बोला है इसमें कि एक 15 में से अगर एक नंबर गया तो उसको कैसे लिखोगे? अभी एक नंबर तो नहीं लिख सकते, तो व्हाट वी हैव डन इज एक नंबर और एनी नंबर और अनदर नंबर, ऐसा कुछ भी क्वेश्चन में बोला हो, इज रिप्लेस्ड बाय अ लेटर फ्रॉम A to Z, which is over here I have taken as D. Now sixth question. A number is obtained by subtracting a number from 50. A number is obtained by subtracting a number from 15. Means 15. अच्छा, look over here. From 15 means what? A number is obtained by subtracting a number from by 15. Let us take by 15 means what? A number is obtained by subtracting a number from 15 by 15 means what? A number is there, and when a 15 is subtracted from it, we get any another answer. So what we will do is we will write the number. Suppose e minus 15 they are asking. They are asking that there is some number and you have to subtract 15 from it. So that is what I did. E and minus 15 means what? This is given in the question form. Just what we have done is another number, any number, a number or unknown number is replaced by a letter which is from A to Z. So clear with this examples?
No more spending your energy and money on coaching classes or missing classes for rain, for rally, and any other nonsense. Subjects covered by multiple teachers with repeat telecasts. Doubts, concepts, applications, no problem. All explained through great and significant animation. So sit back comfortably in your home and watch Study Spectrum TV channel.
Let us start with another example, which is the 7th. A number less than another by 2 means what? They are telling you कि एक नंबर है जो दूसरे नंबर से दो छोटा है, 2 यूनिट्स छोटा है या -2 है. So what we will do is ये जो another है ना, another number, उसको हम एक अल्फाबेट अज्यूम करते हैं. ओके, let us say B. Okay, now they are telling us is another number है ना, a number we have to find what? जो पहले दिया है ना, another number को सब्स्टिट्यूट करना है, जो दूसरा दिया है ना वो अज्यूम वो फाइंड करना है. तो सी दे आर टेलिंग यू कि एक नंबर है जो दूसरे नंबर से 2 से छोटा है, -2 है मतलब. तो हम अज्यूम करेंगे कि अनदर नंबर जो है वो p है. तो जो पहला वाला नंबर होगा वो क्या होगा? 2 कम होगा ना, तो -2 क्योंकि 2 कम है. So what we are doing is the first sentence says us that a number is there which is less than the another by 2. So let us assume this number is another number's -2. So another number is replaced by b, and less means what? Negative sign, and this 2 over here. So it is b minus 2. So means what? ये जो number होगा ना वो another number which is b से 2 कम होगा. So what we are doing? -2. If I say you कि मेरी एज से तुम 2 साल छोटे हो, तो क्या करोगे तुम मेरी एज को यहाँ पे b लोगे. So what is my age? My age is b. And if I ask you what is your age, then what you will say? It is my age minus 2, because I said you are 2 years younger than me. So what you will do? You will take my age as b and yours will be b minus 2 because you are younger ना. तो तुम छोटे हो मुझसे तो 2 साल, तो तुम क्या करोगे? मेरी एज में से 2 माइनस कर दोगे. So that will be a number which is your age. So this a number will be another number which I assumed over here as to be b, and by my negative -2 because I said less than. Over here they are saying that less than. So minus. Now another example. The mangoes left after eating 6 from a certain number of mangoes. What is the meaning of certain number? Means you don't know the number. If I say you, मैंने मार्केट से कुछ तो मैंगोज लाए थे, 6 मैं खा गई, अभी कितने बचे हैं? तो व्हाट आई विल डू इज सपोज सर्टेन नंबर भी कुछ तो अज्यूम करूंगी कि मैंने समझो x नंबर ऑफ मैंगोज लाए, तो व्हाट आई विल अज्यूम इज x नंबर ऑफ मैंगोज एंड 6 मैं खा गई मींस व्हाट -6, राइट? सो व्हाट आई विल डू इज x -6. सो व्हाट विल बी दिस वैल्यू? ये वो वैल्यू होगी जो मैंगोज बचे हुए होंगे मेरे पास घर में. Okay, I brought from the market x number of mangoes because they are not telling you कितने mangoes लाए. What they are saying is certain number of mangoes. So that certain number of mangoes is replaced by x, and 6 what I ate is shown by -6. So what is the number of mangoes left? It is x -6. Now another question. The number of guavas in each share is 3 equal parts. If 3 equal parts or shares are made of a certain number of guavas, means what? They are not telling you there are how many guavas. They are telling you there are certain number of guavas. So let us assume that there are m guavas, and they are telling you equal means what? If I say you there I brought suppose 12 mangoes and I say मैंने उसके 3 equal parts किए, तो एक पार्ट में कितने मैंगोज आएंगे? 4. हाउ आई कैलकुलेटेड इज कितने टोटल मैंगोज मैंने लाए 12 डिवाइडेड बाय कितने हिस्से किए. आई सेड यू आई डिवाइडेड इनटू 3 इक्वल शेयर्स, सो डिवाइड बाय 3 आई गॉट हाउ मच 4. द सेम इज टू बी डन ओवर हियर, बट वी डोंट नो कि 12, यहाँ तो मैंने बोला था 12 मैंगोज मैंने लाए, बट ओवर हियर वी डोंट नो. दे आर टेलिंग यू सर्टेन नंबर. So instead of 12 what it will be? It will be m. And they are telling you कि it is divided into 3 equal shares. Means what? 3 हिस्सों में बांट दिया है. So what I will do is divided by 3. So this is how we replace numbers when a number is unknown by a letter, that is alphabets from A to Z. So clear with all the solutions? Already solved with the examples given in your book. Now we will move on to the exercise, which is exercise number 11. In this exercise we will do the same which we have done in the solved example. You have to replace a unknown number with a letter, and you have to write the statement in a mathematical form. Look over here. The statement is the number obtained by, means what? You have the answer. They are telling you that the answer is what? The number obtained by. See what we have to do? By subtracting, means what? They are telling you कि एक number मिल रहा है subtract करने से, पर क्या subtract करने से? That will read further. 5 from a number means what? They are telling you कुछ एक answer आ रहा है, वो कैसे answer आ रहा है? By subtracting, मतलब कुछ तो subtract करना है. क्या subtract करना है? 5. अच्छा, मतलब 5 को subtract करना है, पर किससे subtract करना है? From a number. Okay, what is this from a number? Means what? We don't know that number. From a number means what? That number is unknown. So what we will do? We will replace this unknown number with a letter from A to Z. So tell me which letter? It's your wish. I will take over your X. So means what? From a number is replaced by X. Now they are telling the answer is obtained by subtracting 5 from a number. Means what? Subtracting 5 from a number, मतलब हमने एक नंबर लिया है x, उससे क्या करना है? सब्ट्रैक्ट करना है 5. So it's x minus 5. So we have first what we have done, we have read the question in which it says you have to write one answer by subtracting 5. Means what? Subtracting 5 means what? 5 को माइनस करना है, पर किससे माइनस करना है? From a number which is x over here. Now the next question. The number obtained by subtracting a number from 5. दोनों स्टेटमेंट सेम है क्या? नहीं, क्योंकि यहाँ पे क्या बोला है? Subtracting 5 from a number means एक नंबर है उसमें से 5 subtract करना है. अब here what they are trying to tell is a number is obtained by subtracting a number from 5. From 5 means what? 5 हमारा नंबर है, उससे कोई एक नंबर सब्ट्रैक्ट करना है. दैट नंबर इज अननोन. सो व्हाट वी विल डू? वो नंबर को हम रिप्लेस करेंगे एक लेटर से फ्रॉम A to Z. So look over here. A number is obtained. Okay, the answer. They are telling us to find the answer which is obtained by subtracting a number means later part they are told कि माइनस करना है एक नंबर, पर किससे माइनस करना है? फ्रॉम 5 means you have to subtract a number from 5. तो 5 minus the number is unknown, so we will replace it with any letter from A to Z. Suppose A, so it is 5 minus A. Now the next question. The third, the total number of books putting together Shehnaz book with 6 of Heman's means they are telling you कि 6 books हेमंत के शहनाज की बुक्स के साथ रख दी है. Now tell me how many books are there of Shehnaz? That is unknown ना. What they have told is शहनाज के कुछ तो बुक्स है. In that you are putting 6 books of Heman's. Now total they are telling you, tell me what is the number of total books. If I say you, your books, there are certain number of your books and 6 books of your brother are mixed with them. Now tell me how many total books are there with you. So you will tell I don't know, because I don't know how many books are of mine, but I know that 6 books are of my brothers. So what we will do, we will replace the number of books of yours with a letter. Suppose B. So over here I will write B. Means what? The number of books of yours is B. And it is given that with 6 of Heman's. Means suppose your brother. So what? Means they are telling you that 6 are of your brothers. Means what? We will add this 6. So it is B plus 6. Means your books, which is B, plus your brother's book, which is 6. Now the next question. The quotient obtained by dividing a number by 24 means what? They are telling you the answer. Quotient means the answer. See, in the division form, what comes over here is called as quotient. So that is only the answer. Now while dividing, what comes over here, that is your answer. So over here they are telling you the answer obtained by dividing a number by 24. मतलब एक कोई तो नंबर है, उसको 24 से डिवाइड करना है. जब ऐसे कोई बोलता है कि सपोज 4 को 2 से डिवाइड करो, तो व्हाट यू डू, यू राइट इट लाइक दिस ना. 4 को 2 से डिवाइड करो, व्हाट यू डू, you write it as 4 by 2. Over here they are telling you the same, a question or an answer obtained by dividing a number. You don't know that number. What you will do? You will substitute that number. Let the number be C. By dividing a number which is C by 24 means what? In the denominator you will have 24. The question means what? They are telling you a answer. मैंने बताया ना, this is called as question. So they are telling you the quotient obtained by dividing 24 by a certain number. They are telling you 24 को divide करना है एक certain number से. So is this same to the fourth question? No, because in this question the numerator was unknown. They are telling you a number is divided by 24. A certain number is divided by 24. But over here what they are trying to tell you is 24 is divided by a certain number. मतलब उल्टा कर दिया है. पहले वो here they were expecting 24 in the denominator, because they are telling you what a certain number is divided by 24. Means 24 was in the denominator. In the next question they are trying to tell you that 24 is divided by a certain number. Means what? 24 is in the numerator. So let us write 24 in the numerator. And they are telling you there is a number in the denominator, that a certain number. Means what? You don't know that certain number. So let that certain number be any letter from A to Z. Let us take C only. So it is 24 by C. So clear? There is a difference between them. Read the language. In the first question they were telling you a certain number is divided by 24 or divided by 24. So over here we have replaced that certain number with C and by 24 we have written. But in the next question they are trying to tell you that 24 is divided by a certain number. उल्टा बोला है. तो what I will do, 24 will be in the numerator and that किससे divide करना वही नहीं पता, तो we will replace that with a letter from A to Z, which is over here I have taken C. The next question, sixth question, 4 times a certain number. What they are telling you is एक तो number है, उसको 4 बार लिखना है, मतलब 4 बार मल्टीप्लाई करना है. If I say you a number is 4 times the other means what? A number multiplied by 4. So a number तो नहीं लिख सकते over here. So what we will write? We will write it as a letter from A to Z. Let us take X. Okay. So I'll write X. And they are telling you 4 times a number. 4 times. मतलब ये एक number है, उसका 4 times. How you will tell a numbers 4 times? By multiplying it by 4. So it is X into 4. You can also write it as 4x. With a number before and a x following the number. See over here there is no sign. Means what? It is assumed that there is a multiplication sign between 4 and x. Remember, whenever there is no sign between number and alphabet, it is assumed that it is multiplication sign. So clear with the first 6 questions.